It's Friday, September 19th. Good morning, Wake County. I'm Steve, and here's your daily dose of smarts for your ears. Beautiful fall day shaping up, mid to upper 80s with sunshine and maybe some early morning fog out east. But it's going to be perfect weather to enjoy the outdoors today. This one's unsettling. A 30-year-old NCDOT veteran is facing felony charges for allegedly breaking into a Raleigh home and planting hidden cameras. 54-year-old Brian Keith Mayhew, an engineering director with the department, was arrested Wednesday by NC State University police after they say he installed a camera inside a home on Lionel Lane to secretly watch a couple who lived there. Mayhew's been with NCDOT for 3 decades. He's now on investigatory leave and charged with felony breaking and entering and felony secret peeping. Well, it's not so secret now. What makes this stand out is local residents are concerned about safety after a public employee was accused of secretly recording inside a home. Really disturbing news out of Rolesville. A special education teacher at Rolesville High School has been charged with assaulting a student with a disability. 56-year-old Jody Catt of Clayton is accused of kicking a student who was seated on the floor. According to court documents, she's been with Wake County Schools since 2004 and has been suspended while the district investigates. Education attorney Stacey Gahagan says these incidents unfortunately happen more often in segregated special education classrooms. It's just sad all around. Get ready for full-on street party Sunday. The 31st annual La Fiesta del Pueblo is taking over Fayetteville Street from noon to 6 p.m. This is the Triangle's largest Latin American cultural festival, and it's completely free. Expect live music, dancing, and food trucks galore. One highlight is Learn How to Cook with the Pros. Hands-on cooking demos on the 100 block near the Capitol building. Speaking of fall celebrations, stick around for a really bad dad joke that's coming up. Way to hype it, Steve. October is shaping up to be packed with events. Walter Magazine's got the full rundown, including the Raleigh Wide Open Bluegrass Festival, October 2nd through the 5th, the NC State Fair running October 16th through the 26th, and everything from home tours to Halloween festivals. The Raleigh Wide Open kicks things off with free stages downtown featuring soul singer Charlie Lowry, acoustic bluegrass group Balsam Range, and hip-hop artist Sonny Miles, celebrating North Carolina's musical heritage. Hey, it's time for 5 to Thrive, 5 fast, good hits of news and community pride. Holly Springs businesses are seeing a boost thanks to biotech expansion with companies like Fujifilm, bringing more customers and cash to local shops. The Carolina Hurricanes kicked off training camp Thursday at Invisalign Arena. Unfortunately, you can't see it. In Morrisville, hockey season's right around the corner. A young woman named Mia Murphy shared her foster care journey, inspiring Triangle Divine 9 fraternities and sororities to step up with mentorship and advocacy for foster youth. 5 industrial buildings near Apex just sold for $190 million. That's a lot of cheddar. Showing we're living in one of the nation's hottest industrial markets. William Peace University received a record-setting $5 million gift from a 1956 alumna, Peggy Garner Britt, the largest donation in the school's history. I appreciate you making me part of your morning routine. Just tell Alexa or Siri, play Good Morning Wake County podcast anytime you want to hear it. And hey, if you're into true crime, that goes beyond the headlines, check out my other podcast, True Crime Cases You Haven't Heard. You can find it over on truecrimeunheard.com. All right, here's that really bad dad joke I promised you. My wife left me this morning because I'm insecure. Oh, wait, no. She's back. She just went for groceries. Good news is we're not going to hear that one for a long time. Before we wrap up, I'd love to make this podcast even better. If you have any suggestions or you want to tell me how badly I suck, you can head over to tapyournews.com, use the contact form, share what's on your mind. That's your Friday update from Wake County. Thanks for letting me be part of your morning. Stay safe, stay subscribed. See ya.